In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. For most people, integrating Teams with Google Calendar does not mean a full two-way calendar sync inside Teams. Microsoft's official guidance says the main supported method is to use the Microsoft Teams meeting add-on for Google Workspace, which lets you schedule and join Teams meetings directly from Google Calendar. Microsoft also notes that meetings created this way appear on your Google Calendar only and do not sync with other Microsoft calendars. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Then install the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on from Google Workspace Marketplace if it is not already available in your account. The Marketplace listing says this add-on lets you schedule and join Microsoft Teams meetings directly from Google Workspace. After the add-on is installed, create a new event in Google Calendar. In the event window, look for the Microsoft Teams option and select it to add a Teams meeting link. You may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account the first time. Once connected, Google Calendar will insert the Teams meeting details into the event automatically. Microsoft's support page says you can then view, edit, and join those Teams meetings from Google Calendar. Now enter the rest of your meeting details like the title, date, time, guests, and any notes you want to include. After that, save the event and send the invitations. Your guests will receive the calendar invite with the Teams Join link included, so they can open the event from Google Calendar and join the Teams meeting from there. There is one more important limitation to know. If you are hoping to make your personal Google Calendar fully sync into the Teams calendar, Microsoft says that is not currently supported for personal Gmail or Google Calendar use. For personal use, the supported option is mainly creating Teams meetings from Google Calendar with the add-on, not full calendar syncing into Teams. So, the simplest way to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar is to install the Teams add-on for Google Workspace, create your event in Google Calendar, add the Teams meeting link, and then save and send the invite. That gives you an easy way to manage Google Calendar events while still using Microsoft Teams for the meeting itself. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.